Crypto versus stocks, which should you choose in 2025? "2025 is yelling, pick a side." In one corner we've got the stock market, old faithful, that turned a garage startup called Apple into a titan worth more than most countries. In the other corner, Bitcoin just doubled, again, and the rumor mill's already whispering about $200,000. The fear of backing the wrong horse is real, so let's turn the volume down, grab a coffee, and figure out what's actually right for you. I'm not here to sell you a crystal ball, just a clear map. We'll strip both assets down to what they really are, stack them side by side on risk, reward, and real-life usefulness, and then hand you a dead simple checklist to see where your money should lie this year. Section 1. What you're buying: stocks. Think tiny ownership certificates. Grab a share of Microsoft and you're suddenly a part owner of Windows, Xbox, Azure, the whole empire. Plus you get a cut of the profits they mail out as dividends. Cryptos? Lines of code guarded by math and a planet-spanning network. Bitcoin is digital gold, scarce, borderless, uncensorable. Ethereum is more like programmable cash running an entire playground of decentralized apps. One's a slice of a business, the other a slice of a protocol. Different beasts entirely. Section 2. The risk factor: bad earnings call. Like and share this video. Stocks might slap you with a 5% drop, annoying, but survivable. Crypto? A single tweet can bounce at 15% before your alarm goes off. If red numbers make you break into a cold sweat at 2 a.m., stocks carry the day. If you ride roller coasters with your hands up and laugh the whole time, crypto's still waving you in. Section 3. The return story. The S&P 500 has quietly compounded around 10% a year for the last 100 or so. This year it's chugging closer to 9% after the big tech afterburn. Bitcoin, meanwhile, is up triple digits year to date, and Ethereum tagged fresh all-time highs. Yes, those numbers are gorgeous, but remember, gravity works in both directions. Section 4. Rules of the road. Stocks trade under bright stadium lights, SEC rules, quarterly filings, circuit breakers, and lawyers you can sue if someone cooks the books. Crypto is still the wild, wild web, regulations coming in pieces, slower than a Sunday driver. If guardrails and safety nets matter to your sanity, stocks win in a landslide. Section 5. Market maturity. Global equities tip the scales north of $100 trillion, backed by centuries of price tags and panic attacks. Crypto is a $3 trillion teenager, full of acne, potential, and mood swings. Size brings stability, youth brings upside. Section 6. Who should tilt where? Pick stocks if you love slow and steady compounding, pocketing dividends every quarter, and sleeping like a baby. Pick crypto if you've got a long runway, nerves made of steel, and a genuine curiosity about where blockchain tech is headed. And if you're the indecisive type? Portfolio law doesn't forbid a little of both. Subscribe to GHOSTWALLET 69 real quick, hit pause and drop your current split, or the one you're planning, in the comments. First 10 comments get a personal reply from me, and your story might be the exact nudge the next viewer needs. Leave your comment for the next tip. Every dollar you invest is a vote for the future you want to live in. Stocks are the well-paved interstate, crypto is the off-road trail that might shave miles off the trip, or leave you axle deep in mud. A balanced setup, say 80% broad index funds and up to 5% crypto for spice, captures the upside without turning your portfolio into a slot machine. The real winner in 2025 isn't stocks or crypto, it's the plan you can stick to when the headlines scream bloody murder. Draw that plan today, and tomorrow's version of you will send a thank you card.